Hello, I'm your teacher for this question, and our question says that find an equation of the tangent line at the point 1, 3 on the graph of the equation xy plus y square equals to 12. So we need to write the equation of tangent line at the point. Equation of tangent line at 1, comma 3 on the graph of the equation xy plus y square equals to 12. On the graph of the equation xy plus y square equals to 12. On the graph of the equation xy plus y square equals to 12. So I'll be writing that we're going to differentiate the following function with respect to x, so that we will be writing the slope of tangent as dy by dx here. All right, so x dy by dx plus y plus differentiation of y square is 2y dy by dx is equals to differentiation of 12 is 0.